Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do eye makeup inspired by Astro's second full album. If you guys don't know what Astro is, it is a K-pop group. They have 6 members and I'm a big fan of them. So I bought their limited edition, their 3 concept albums. It comes in red, blue, and purple. So those are the colors that I'm going to use on my eyes today. If you guys haven't seen my video of me unboxing the album with my sister, I will link it down below if you guys want to go check that out and see everything that came with the limited edition and what we got. As you guys can see, I already have my base on. I do have foundation on already. On this side of my face, I have primer, and then this side I don't have primer because I'm trying out this Fitcover foundation. So that video is going to be posted before this one. So if you guys want to check that one out, I'll also link that one down below for you guys. Concealed my under eyes and did my eyebrows. And then this video is just going to be the eye makeup again. Okay, so now that you guys are way up close and personal, I'm going to start off with a light purple. I'm going to try to incorporate purple, blue, and red into my eyeshadows. So I'm going to go in with this lilac color right here as my transition color. Alright, after that, I am going to go in with a red color all over my eyelids from the Morphe Brushes 35C palette. I'm gonna first go in with the blending brush with this color right here. I just kind of want to follow where I put the purple, but just like underneath it so that the purple will be showing up here more, and then the red will be showing at the bottom more. So put it on the outer end of the eyelid first. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a dome shaped brush. Get that red color and try to pack it at the edge. So I'm going to actually go back in with that lilac purple color and pack that into the center and inner eyelid. I'm just gonna blend that together. Just pack the color on, and then after that, just go back in with the red to kind of blend that little middle section. Alright, so taking our blender brush again, I'm going to go back in with that purple color and then just try to blend everything out. So you're going at the very edge of the red color and you're just going to blend it out. Clean that up a little bit with your finger. And then for our under eye, just take what is left over on your dome brush and run it under your eyelid, just the outer corner. And then kind of like blend the corner here out with the brush. And then fix whatever you see that needs fixing, like empty spaces, empty areas, places that aren't blended well. After that, we are going to go in with a purple liner. Sorry if you guys can hear the train. Okay, so I'm gonna take this purple liquid liner by NYX and take off a lot of the excess. So we're gonna do a wing liner. So if your hands aren't steady when you're doing eyeliner, I'm not the best at doing eyeliner, but if your hands aren't steady, my hands are not steady. I like to lean my elbow or put my elbow onto a flat surface so that you can be a little bit more stable. My camera's battery died, so I had to charge it. While charging, I was eating, so now we're back. I kind of want to change this makeup look a little bit. What I'm going to do is get more of the red color that we used, this right here, onto the dome-shaped brush. And I'm just gonna run that all the way in. Not all the way, but you know, just a little bit more in. Just packing on the color. And then putting whatever's left under my eyes. So now we're gonna pick up the blue color right here. And then we're gonna kind of blend that right onto the outer corner. And then of course red and blue makes purple. So I just want to focus that blue color right at the outer corner of the eye. And then grab a little bit of the blue, put it under your eyelid. Interestingly, I didn't mean to put it in my waterline, but it went to my waterline. But that looks good. Well, kind of. Looks a little bit too dark for my liking. Go back in with the blending brush. We're gonna start blending first. Just the edge where the blue and the red meet. Now I'm going to use the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Stylish. And I'm just gonna use my finger to get the product off of the wand. And I'm gonna put that in the center of my eyelid. Kind of put a little bit too much right here. Kind of like a glitter ombre effect. Like more glitter at the edge. Now I'm gonna use this one. This is a more yellow tone compared to this one. If you guys can see. They're quite similar, but this one's more yellow. This is the Wet n Wild one. Liquid Catsuit Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadow in the color Goldilocks. Goldilocks? Because there's an E at the end. I don't know. They have a similar brush. So I'm just going to use my finger again. And then this time we're going to focus it right here. So like kind of close to the inner and to the center. Ooh, my eyes are irritated. I curled my lashes already. I'm just going to put mascara on. Again, my eye is irritated, so excuse that. But this is the final eye makeup look. I'm not gonna put on any lashes, just to keep it a little bit more natural. I'll like put a picture of their 3 albums over here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm gonna finish up my face. And then I'll show you guys the final look. So this is the final look. I just did some blush, not brush. I did some blush, highlight. There's glitter all over my face. I did highlight the inner corner of my eyes with the highlighter that I used on my face. So I know that it doesn't have blue on my eyes. I did use blue, but it turned to purple because blue and red makes purple. What I'm gonna do is, since this is an Astro eye makeup inspired look. I'm gonna use a blue liquid eyeliner. It is felt tipped. And then if I don't like the color of this, I'm gonna put this over. It's like a more glittery one. Okay, this might ruin the look because I'm not good at drawing or like even drawing on myself, especially. All right. I've already messed it up. So yes, I messed it up right there. I don't know how to clean it, so I'm just gonna try to go over it with this. Maybe this isn't a good idea. It's chunky. Okay, it don't look that bad. So that is the Astro sign. I'll put their logo up for you guys so you guys can like see it better. So again, I'm trying this new foundation. The video was probably posted before this one, so I will link it down below if you guys are interested in seeing how the Fitcover wears throughout the day. In that video, I'm going to check back in every few hours here and there. This one is sweat resistant. It is 100% natural, vegan, and cruelty free. So yeah, and other information if you guys want to check it out. I'm going to spray only half of my face because I wanted to see how it wears differently. This side I primed, this side I didn't. This side I will put setting spray on, and then this side is again nothing. So this now is the final look. I really like how this makeup look turned out. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing me why do I always say recreate? It's weird. Seeing me create this makeup look inspired by Astro's second full album. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!